In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneDrive start automatically whenever you boot up your Windows computer. Ensuring OneDrive launches on startup can streamline your workflow and ensure that all your necessary files and folders are always synced and accessible the moment your computer powers up. Let's walk through the steps you need to make this happen. First off, you'll need to access the Task Manager. This can be done in two straightforward ways. You can simply press Ctrl-Shift-Escape simultaneously, which is a quick shortcut many find convenient. Alternatively, if shortcuts aren't your style, you can open the Windows search bar at the bottom left of your screen, type in Task Manager, and click on it when it appears as a result. Task Manager is a useful tool that provides insights into the applications and processes that are currently running on your computer, as well as those that are set to launch at startup. Once you've got Task Manager open, you'll want to navigate your way to the Startup tab. You can find this tab along the top of the Task Manager window, nestled between other tabs like Processes and Performance. Clicking Startup will present you with a list of programs that are configured to launch when you start your computer. This tab not only displays which programs are set to start, but also whether they are enabled or disabled. Now, it's time to locate Microsoft OneDrive within this list. It's usually listed alphabetically, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Once you have located OneDrive, take a look at its status. If it says disabled, this means OneDrive won't start when you turn on your computer. To change this, you'll need to enable it. To enable OneDrive, click on it to highlight it, and you'll see the Enable button become active, typically found at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. Clicking this button changes OneDrive's status to Enabled, indicating that it will now automatically start up with Windows. By enabling OneDrive, you ensure that it's up and running every time you boot your computer. This is particularly helpful if you rely on having all your files in sync the moment you start your day. After making this change, you can exit out of Task Manager. The next time you restart your computer, OneDrive will open automatically, keeping your files readily available without any extra steps. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep OneDrive running seamlessly whenever you start your computer. With this setup, you can stay organized and efficient, knowing your cloud storage is always just a click away. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.